Hi y'all. So I bought some new containers. I'm working on some new rearranging of stuff in my minivan. I wanted to kind of take you along the process. It's a little messy right now because I have containers and stuff everywhere, and I'm trying to figure out as I go how I want it. I kind of have an idea, but I'm going to work on it as I go, and you'll be seeing clips of that along the way. Thrift stores and dollar stores and a container from Target. I want to put my kitchen stuff that's in there in here because this will have a lid, and things get so dirty when I'm camping. At least I can try to keep the dishes and things cleaner in this container. So that's what I'm going to do, is put all of these things into there. And I don't have a good way to set up the phone for filming, so you'll be seeing clips of the progress along the way. So now I have cleared out this container. It's going to hold all my other containers that have lids and things, because they're closed up, so they won't get dirt inside of them. And there's all my dishes that I don't want to get dirt inside and have to keep cleaning before I use them. And then I can put the lid on here. And then I'll be able to put the bed down over that. But I have to move this out of the way. So now I can put this. Actually, I'm gonna take that out and wash it. It's pretty dirty. And that. And now I have that empty space for all my little cook things. Like I can put my water pot. This is a little thing to boil water, make coffee or tea. And I have this to make fresh squeezed juice. Can go in there because it has a lid. You can see now I was able to put the bed down, and I have the container under there. I want to organize my food, so I'm going to put these bins in there because the food needs to be in some kind of containers, and I need to go through that and see what's not any good. So you'll see the results of that soon. And I was keeping my extra cooking supplies in here, but now I can move them to the other shelf and have things more organized by kitchen versus bedroom. So this is supposed to be my bedroom. And then this is my kitchen and miscellaneous work area. So I have this is my little cooker. It's a s'mores maker that I found at the thrift store. And it only takes 270 watts. So it powers off of my rock pedals, my little power boxes. I have a little waffle maker, has low voltage wattage also. I think it's 350 watts. So, but it heats up very quickly, so it doesn't really take that much. I have a mini crock pot that only takes 47 watts. 47 watts, I can make soup. And there's the lid for my s'mores cooker. And the lid for my crock pot. So those will all go down in there. There. Now you can see they all fit. So there's my little water pot and my waffle maker and my cooktop and the tops to those. They're all in there. So I'm going to push this back. And this is the rest of my kitchen. And if you're wondering what's in this bag, this is my backpacking stove and a can of butane. My little mini butane stove is in there, and it has a cover to use as a heater. I'll show you. So if I don't have electricity and I want to cook, I have this little backpacking thing and butane can, butane. One of these, and I've got some more of these under my bed, and then this I can put on top of it and use it as a heater, and or to keep my tea or something warm here. This gets pretty warm, but it's like a little lantern. It provides light and heat on cold nights. So that's my other little cooking stove. It's nice and compact, and I can use it in here with the window open, of course, for ventilation if I can't use my electricity. And this just hangs there, ready in case I want to use it. Now we'll work on this food mess. And I found that at the thrift store for a couple dollars. I think, $1. I can make toast on my camp stove. There, I got my clothes a little better organized. Got all my pajamas and warm, fuzzy sweats and things here. My shirts and pants in here. I have some warmer weather summer stuff in here, and then I put my slippers on the top there. And there's my extra bathroom supplies and candles and things that I might need. All in there. I've got towels and bathing suit. Actually, I put the bathing suit in the summer clothes. There. Now that's a little cleared out too. And I found these for free, and they're heat packs. You can put them under the pets or under your feet at night to keep warm. That's one of the ways I can keep warm. Got everything pretty much put away. Got my little heater here. I'm just gonna put it in here. I can live right there if I need it. And I wanted to show you this cute thing. My friend gave me this. I'll show you what it's for in just a second. It goes on your toilet paper, but I need 2 hands. And there's my toilet paper holder. There's my little toilet paper puppy. It is so cute. It holds my toilet paper. Picked these up at the dollar store because I couldn't find my funnel for my potty. So the big one is going to go in the potty. The other two can go. I'm not sure if I would need them camping or not. Plastic, I don't know. I might keep one in here, one in the house, and one in the toilet. So now I have my funnel. There's my potty. And it'll go in there for pee. So I'll just store that in there for now. And put my potty back together. Now, we are all kind of organized now. I got one of those things at the thrift store that you can put your laptop on too, that's kind of cool. And there's my little neater, more organized. Just perfect for me and the pups.